Hey, this is Trevor with SSV Works. We're up here in Salt Lake City at Kombustion Motorsports with Travis to kick off a build on their brand new 2022 Polaris Pro R and debut some new audio gear for a brand new build.
Hi, this is Travis from Kombustion Motorsports. We're excited to be debuting this 22 Pro R build in conjunction with our friends at SSV Works to show you some fresh new products to the world. So for the side-by-side adventure rally down in Sand Hollow, we're getting this put together with a collaboration of companies. We've got Metal Effects wheels on board. We've got SDR debuting a new cage, Simpson seats involved, Zebros Racing debuting a new product, and a handful of other goodies that we are excited to show you.
To round off Kombustion's build, we're going to put a brand new SSV Works audio system, a 9-speaker kit. Starting in the back, you get 8-inch cage pods that clamp onto the aftermarket or factory roll cage, a set of these door pods that go in the rear and in the front. So you've got 2, 4, 6 speakers there. We're going to reutilize the factory dash speakers because they're there, why not? All operated from the new ride command system. And the heart of the system is to replace the amplifier with our brand new phase EQ amplifier. This is a 5-channel, 800-watt efficient amplifier, and it has a single mono connector which makes install easy. It's fully waterproof. And the coolest part about the DSP tech in this is the rock and ride. It has the same kind of idea as a luxury car would have today, where we can tune the system for the different environments. You're hanging outside the car by the campfire or on the hill, hit the rock button and you get a totally different audio profile. You're ready to jump back in the car, smash the ride button. It brings the audio system right back into the car for the occupants. It's louder while you're driving, it sounds better inside the car. It's all easy, plug and play, sounds incredible because every single system is configured to a very specific vehicle. So it's not a universal tune, it's not out of the box turning knobs. You actually have a DSP profile set to the dynamics of all of these different vehicles, and it makes the system sound incredible. We're out here at Sand Hollow in St. George, Utah. And Travis, you just got this car done pretty quick, man, and it looks awesome. Why don't you tell us what you guys did to it?
Well, this transformation took us just about a week, but we burned a lot of lamp oil. Starting with, obviously you can see the most cosmetic piece here is this SDR cage. About to be introduced for the Pro R. We got SDR doors. As you look in the front end here, we got some nice forged wheels from Metal Effects. 37-inch tires coming from EFX. Suspension-wise, we've got some prototype Zebros springs from the middle working on that. Tuning, we got an ECU tune in there from Evolution. Been working on some clutching with Ibex. As you get on the front end here, see we've got a nice Forworks carbon piece, SDR grill, SDR winch bumper, some Heretic lighting, salt mirrors. Getting the inside here, we got Simpson seats. Got some nice Forworks carbon fiber trim, Viper gated shifter, and first and foremost, we got a badass SSV system in there.
Absolutely, man. This thing just absolutely rips, and we're super excited about the new phase EQ amplifier with the rock and ride switch that lets you control it, whether we're hanging out here and letting it rip or you're ripping down the trail on ride mode. Even with these SDR doors in the Pro XP, it's awesome because we can add speakers directly into the rear doors, and of course, that's not enough. So you can add a set of speakers into the front doors. That makes this a 9-speaker kit. So we've got front door speakers, rear door speakers, our 8-inch Neo cage pods, which are really bright and really loud for the off-road. So, you know, with your helmet on, you're not losing any of that frequency. We integrate back into the factory front speakers and the head unit as your source. Replace that amp with our new phase EQ amp, and man, it just comes to life. 10-inch sub underneath the dash. This thing is, it's a party anywhere you go.
I'll tell you one of my favorite features is having to have independent subwoofer control with a ride command system. That's just always been missing in this industry. That's a huge plus for me.
On that new switch, yeah, you have independent sub control, so you can turn it down, turn it up, change modes, and let this thing just let the party rock.